This is one of my favorite sushi meals. It's Ikura, uni, and tuna don. You need a good source of uni. This is sea urchin. Ikura, which is salmon roe. I'm using medium fatty tuna. Here's the fat side and the lean side. Starting with the tuna, we're going to use a marudaizu shoyu. We're going to do sashimi slices. Look at that marbling. Quick marination before searing it on all 5 sides. You're going to leave one side for presentation. Nice. The base of sushi rice. Starting with the ikura, we're going to cover one half. For the other half, we're going to do exactly the same with uni. Just cover the half. Beautiful. And finally, the seared tuna. Top this off with any remaining marudaizu shoyu. Beautiful. Let's have a taste. That bowl took maybe about 6-7 minutes to prepare, and it ticks all the boxes. The marudaizu shoyu, when it's seared, has a nice smoky and sweet flavor. The chutoro is fatty. Naturally, it complements the creaminess of the sea urchin and the ikura really well. A restaurant near me serves something like this with otoro for about $80, and I made it for about $8 in ingredients. Easily a 10 out of 10. Highly recommended. Alright, thanks for watching.